Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. I'm going to take you for a little ride through the busier part of town where all the stores are. I've taken you through some back roads. This is all still close to my house, so if I need something, this is where I would come out to. So the title of the video is, did your Harley dealer do this? Or something to that effect. I don't know what I'll exactly title it. But I made a video probably 2 years ago now almost about how to adjust the suspension on your motorcycle, your rear shocks, because I was riding my bike for a couple of months and I mean I was bottoming out, bam bam, and when I looked at the book, my shocks were nowhere near. They were adjusted for the lightest person out there, so I adjusted them. What a huge difference it makes. I mean, don't you think the Harley dealer, when you buy a new bike, they should at least ask or estimate your weight and set them? So many people have watched that video and, you know, left nice comments. Thank you, I didn't know the tool was under the seat. You know, and it's a pretty simple thing to do once you know how to do it, and it makes a huge difference. So I think, you know, with the amount of comments I got that the guys, their shocks weren't adjusted, I think the Harley dealers need to get on board here. Something simple in a dealer prep for a new bike. So we got a BJ's, Chick-fil-A, a cinema. I'll try to point some of the stuff out as I'm going here. There's a ton of stuff in this little stretch here. Anything you could think of, you know. There's a Dick's Sporting Goods. Yeah, so leave me in the comments. Let me know if your dealer asked your weight, or, you know, if they adjusted your shocks for you, if they told you how to do it. Jersey Mike's, Five Below. We got a McDonald's. There's all kinds of stuff in there. There's some big cookie place, PetSmart, and then I think there's actually a Petco next to it, a Best Buy, Big Lots, Home Depot over here. There's a Lowe's way down on the other end. There's a Red Lobster in there, an At Home, a Target, and there ain't many left, but there's a Friendly's in there, a Michael's, a Wendy's, and there's all the little stores. Tons of stuff around here. So, you know, I could come out here, come to the busy side of town, do what I have to do, get my stuff, but then I can go riding on all the country roads, and it's just phenomenal. So I know this video has been back and forth between two different subjects, but please, in the comments, you know, let me know what your dealer does for prep, because by not adjusting the shocks, I really think Harley is missing the boat, because it makes a huge difference in the performance of the bike. You know, I think it just makes a huge difference, and it's a 2-second thing. It's not like it would take them forever to do. So please do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Hit the like button for the video. And let's see, what else do I want to say? Oh yeah, somewhere, I think in the beginning of this and toward the end or something, I will leave the link to the video of adjusting your shocks. So if you don't know how, or you have a question, you can go to that video. So I'm also working on my garage. That's moving along fine. I had the workbench video. I got the compressor in. I got that set up. I'm going to do a video, show you the new compressor. Pretty awesome. Pretty happy with it. So that'll do it for this video. Like I always say, until next time, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.